Look at this video that I just generated using AI. The best part is this AI tool gives you total control when it comes to your videos, from choosing the perfect camera angle to lighting and even to the length of your generated video. Before we get into this tutorial though, if you're interested in seeing more videos about AI tools, then consider hitting that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Without wasting time, let's get started. We'll get started by going over to Luma Labs, and once you're here, just click on the Try Now button, then you can sign up for an account. So once you're in, this is what you'll see. So this right here is the prompt box area. You can also choose to upload an image by clicking on this button right here. So right here you can choose whether you want to create an image or a video. So the next thing that you can do is choose the aspect ratio depending on whatever it is that you're creating. You can also choose the length of your video from 5 to 10 seconds. You can also choose the quality, that is 720 or 1080. Next, go ahead and choose the model that you want to use. In this case, I'll choose Ray 2. So once all that is set up, now you can go ahead and start creating your videos. So I'll be starting mine with this image right here, and once it's been uploaded, the next thing that I'll need to do is input the prompt for this image. So let me just input a prompt right here. And once you've input your prompt, then there are a few other things that you can choose from, starting with the camera angle that you want to use. You can also choose the lighting. You can also choose the style that you want to go for. But since I already have an image attached, I'll not choose any of those things. I'll just go with the prompt that I have chosen to input. Next is the camera option, and this lets you choose the kind of shot that you want to have in your video. From static to handheld, we have the zoom in, zoom out, pan left, pan right. There are so many that you can choose from right here. In my case, I'll not be choosing any in this particular video that I'm creating, so I'll just go ahead and leave that alone. Then once you're satisfied with all the settings that you have chosen, you can click on the generate button, and this is just going to start generating your video for you. So the video generation will take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes. Mine took 5 minutes. As you can see, the results are insanely good. So there are a couple of things that you can choose to do to your generated video, but before I do that, let me generate another video straight from a text. In this case, I'll just use the exact prompt that I used to animate the previous video, but this time I'll just do it directly from a text. As you can see right here, I can choose up to 10 seconds for this, so I'll just choose exactly that and 1080, and then I'll just generate with those parameters. So now I'll just hit the generate button, and this is going to start generating my video for me. So again, I'll just fast forward this part to the part where we have the video ready, and let me just put this on a bigger screen for you to see clearly. So you can see how good this video is, and it's a whole 10 seconds long. Like, this is really good. So back to our first video, there are a couple of things that you can choose to do with it. First, you can choose to extend the video by clicking on this extend button right here. The second thing that you can do is to modify the video by clicking on the modify button. In my case, I'll choose the extend button. So right here, I can input a prompt of how I want to extend my video. So in this case, I just want her to park at the side of the road. So that is exactly how I'm going to input the prompt. And once that's done, then I can hit the generate button. So again, let me just fast forward this part for you guys. So the video is ready now. Again, let me just put this on a bigger screen for you. As you can see, the first part is exactly as our previous video, and the extension has been integrated so smoothly. So if you're looking for a tool that can create long videos for your project, Luma Labs is absolutely the way to go. So right here, I've created another video with a different prompt, and the results were just as good. Now, if you want to create a looped video, just click on this loop button right here. Other than creating videos, you can create a set of very consistent images by utilizing this reference feature right here. So this one lets you upload an image and create a set of images from that reference image. That way you can have very consistent images. Then from the keyframe, you can choose a start frame. You can also choose an end frame, and this is for you when you're creating your videos. From this suggestions button right here, you can choose the shot that you want to go with. As you can see, there are quite a number of them that you can choose from. You can also choose the camera angle that you want to go with, as well as the style and even the lighting. As you can see, there are so many tools right here that you can choose from to have total control over your videos. So go ahead and try Luma Labs for your next project. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you on that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.